Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Kambaba Jasper, also known as Crocodile Jasper, the Stone of Reinvention. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And a guided meditation with a gemstone is an opportunity to practice, to sit with a gemstone, feel its energy, and to see if it's one that you're drawn to or can support you in your daily life. And today, we're going to be doing that with Kambaba Jasper. So a few notes to set up the meditation. If you have a piece of Kambaba Jasper, go get that and then put it next to you, but we're not going to be holding it right away. But you don't need a piece of the Jasper to benefit from this meditation. So if you don't have one, it's totally okay. As you sit through this meditation, just imagine a stone that's olive green with black eyes on it. And that is Kambaba Jasper. And then also, if you feel like Kambaba Jasper is a stone that you would like to explore more, then I do have Kambaba Jasper bracelet and gemstone sets, pendants, and also Reiki tumbled Kambaba Jasper too. I tumbled this one myself. And the link to that online store will be in the description below. Then finally, well, not finally. If you haven't already watched the video Improving Your Life with Kambaba Jasper, then I'll link that up in the eye below. You may want to pause this video, go watch that one, and see what the supportive and healing benefits are before we start into this meditation. Then finally, you'll need a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, on a couch, or on the ground outside. The only important thing is that it's comfortable for you, so you can sit about 10 to 15 minutes without feeling pain or falling asleep. So if you have your Kambaba Jasper, you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So first, then close your eyes and take some long, slow breaths. Yeah, just give your body a little shake and release whatever's going on and just breathe. Bring your awareness to your body, just to feel what's going on with that right now. Notice if there's anything that's uncomfortable or different. And check in with your heart and your mind to see what's going on right now. Not trying to change or fix anything, we're just observing to see what's going on with you right now. How are you? Then bring your attention to the parts of your body that are touching the seat or the floor or the ground beneath you. And take note of this firm connection to the earth. And, just realize that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You're connected physically to the entire planet and all of its energy. It's right there for you. And it will support you during this meditation today. And then pick up your piece of Kambaba Jasper, or picture it in your mind, and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand, and it will receive the energies of the Kambaba Jasper. And take some time to feel it, its physical presence in your hand. What is its weight like? Feel its exterior. Is it smooth? Are there some rough spots? And take a minute to get to know your piece of jasper. Notice if anything has changed for you with your body, your heart, your mind, since you have picked up the Kambaba Jasper. And as you hold the stone, imagine you're sitting in very large, dark stone hands. You're just sitting in those hands as they hold you. And you're surrounded by a shimmery, pale green light. And sit with this image of Kambaba Jasper energy for a minute. Kambaba Jasper is the Stone of Reinvention. So as you hold your stone or picture it in your mind, consider the following questions. Are you about to make a really big change in your life? Are you trying to decide what the best timing is for this change? Do you want to better understand your place in this world and your life purpose? Is there a habit or a phobia you're trying to overcome? And does your daily work, creative, eating, sleep cycle seem off? Like, do you want to figure out the most effective timing for your daily activities? Maybe you're not falling asleep well at a certain time. Now Kambaba Jasper is very supportive for all of these situations. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your mind, back to your heart. And we're going to think about that for another couple of minutes while you hold the Kambaba Jasper. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this scenario as you hold the Jasper. Not trying to force anything or make anything to happen. We're just watching for any changes. And bring your awareness back to your body, your heart, and your mind. And notice if anything has changed since the start of this meditation. And it may take a few meditations to start noticing some change for you. And that's okay, it's totally normal. And then release that situation that you are thinking about. And let the image of Kambaba Jasper energy float away. And you can put down your stone and just come back to your breathing. Just breathe. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me during this Kambaba Jasper meditation, the Stone of Reinvention. And I hope that you found it useful and figured out whether Kambaba Jasper is a stone you'd like to work with more or not. And if it is, these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you are really comfortable and familiar with the energy of Kambaba Jasper, and you can call it up whenever you need it. Whenever, you're working on that big change or trying to figure out timing, you pick up the stone and it supports you right away. That is the essence of crystal healing and how we start to incorporate it into our daily lives by figuring out which life situations that we want help with, which crystals will help them, and when to use them, and practice. So if you're interested in crystal healing and you're new to this channel, I wanted to let you know that I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post a video about the healing and supportive benefits of that gemstone. And on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone every single week. So you can figure out the best gemstones to support you in your life. Thank you so much for joining me in this guided meditation today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to learn more about crystal healing and all sorts of different gemstones. And I hope to see you again next week. Thank you.